Morning everyone, and for today's first impression let's do the Big City collection. It's one of the recent releases, and it came with three Lipson's collection and one gloss and one oops remover. So these are the shades. These are like a perfect fall shades. So when you buy as a collection, obviously you get the oops remover free, but you can anytime pick individual colors or glosses. This is the order I'm going to do. We do Brooklyn Gloss, then Manhattan Mauve, Broadway Bronze, and then Big Apple. So these three are the Lipson's colors, and this is the gloss that came with it. So let's go ahead and do one by one. So it's Brooklyn is a nude tan pink lip gloss for like a everyday wear gloss. It doesn't have any shimmer to it, so if you are someone who is looking like a everyday gloss, then this should be perfect. So this is how it looks on me. As you can see, it's not going to add a lot of color, but it's a very subtle shade. And if you are looking for something that to replace with glossy and add like a tint of shade, then this would go perfectly with any Lipson shade. So this is Brooklyn on me. As I said, it doesn't have any shimmer or glitter to it, so it can work perfectly for an everyday wear. So next let's go ahead with Manhattan Mauve. It's like a very sheer mauve color with a subtle pearl tint to it. If you have loved crystal mauve or anything, I think this will be closer to that. Let me go ahead and do my apply this color with seal it with glossy and show you. So this is how it looks on me. As you can see, it's like a perfect balance between what is like a glam doll and crystal mauve, I would say, because the glam doll is little darker, whereas crystal mauve is really real light. So this is in between, and if you are looking for a fall shade, then this is really perfect to transition that. And even as an everyday color, this is closer to Bella or Precious Topaz. So it's a nice shade to wear for everyday look. So I really like it. Being a matte shade, it goes really smooth, and if you even want, you can apply the Bella matte or anything on top of it, or the this gloss itself on top of the Manhattan Mauve. So I thought this color will be even lighter than lighter on me, but it looks pretty good actually, because when it says it's a sheer color, that means you can up to go 4 layers. So this is one of the sheer shade. When it says sheer, the consistency will be little thinner when compared to the normal Lipson's colors, but that way you have the freedom to play with it. Like if you want like a really light tint, then you can even go with just 1 or 2 layers, and if you wanted the color to show more, you can go up to 4 layers. So this is Manhattan Mauve on me. So let's go ahead and do the next one. I have removed Manhattan Mauve, and I'm going to go with Broadway Bronze. This is like a bronzy red. I don't think we had anything with a metallic tint in this shade. You know, we carry many reds. The only metallic red so far we had is Red Ruby, but that is like a more what is it, like a light red, not like a dark maroonish red. So let me show how it looks on me. This is the final look on me, and it gives more of that what is it, like pumpkin spice and all those fall flavors actually. So it's in between red and maroon, so it's not too dark as well as it is not too flashy red like Red Ruby. So anyone can easily carry this, and both of them apply really well. So if you are even new to Lipson's, these colors would really go well and apply easily. And if you are not, if you don't want to do even 3 layers, even 1 layer of this shade would look really amazing. So this is Broadway Bronze on me. It has like a very light metallic sheen. I'm sure camera wouldn't be able to pick it, but you can see it in person. It has a slight tint of metallic sheen to it when you apply it. So Let me do the next last one, the Big Apple, which is a red again. So we are down to the last one, which is the Big Apple. I had many of you pinged me to show this color. So it's a cranberry red. Again, this is a metallic shade. So I'm expecting it, but it doesn't have shimmer compared to Broadway Bronze. Broadway Bronze has like a little bit of golden tint to it, whereas this is pure metallic, like a pearl finish, I would say. So let's go ahead and do it and seal it with glossy and see how it looks on me. So this is Big Apple on me. If you haven't had a red, then you should try one, because red is always like a, what is it, like a powerful statement it makes, and it elevates your complete look any day. Even if you don't wear much makeup and just wear a red lip, then it's perfect. Like, I mean, it doesn't have to be only for date nights or special occasions. Any day when you wear red, then you make a statement. And the cool thing about LipSense and the glossy gloss and all is, like, you can see how what is it, like filled the lips look, and it's so hydrated. That way there isn't any cracks or any dryness to it, so it makes it feel so smooth and comfortable to wear the whole day. I feel this will become one of my favorite collection in the recent days. For example, in some of the collections I like one more whereas one less, but here everything works for perfectly for our skin tone. So it had Big Apple, Broadway Bronze, Manhattan Mauve, so three different LipSense colors, and then one gloss, that is the Brooklyn gloss, and it came with the oops remover. And when you buy as a collection, it comes in this nice big bag, so you can store your LipSense here. And here is my swatches too. So you can see this is the gloss and Manhattan Mauve, and this is Brooklyn Bronze, and I mean Broadway Bronze, and the Big Apple. So they are each different from a little different from each other, but perfect for fall. And even since you have one red, you can even transition to winter and mix and match these shades. So that's my first impression on Big City collection. Hope you have liked it too. Have a wonderful day.